Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an exciting activity that you experienced with someone else. You should say what the activity was, who you were with, when and where it happened, why you went for it, and explain how you felt about it. So as you all can see, there are 5 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 5 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. Alright, so before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's brainstorm a few ideas together. So for a question like this, you can use any kind of ideas, like maybe you went for hiking or maybe camping or maybe even like river rafting. So you can talk about any such adventurous activity that you had done. So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am quite a courageous person and am always willing to take on new adventures. And today, I would like to speak about a popular water sport named scuba diving, which I undertook with my friends. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. Also, undertook means to take part in. So we have used the past tense because everything here is asking for something that we already did. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that a couple of years ago, I had planned a trip to Andaman and Nicobar Islands to celebrate one of my friend's birthday. Moreover, we were inclined to indulge in something different and wanted to make it a special day for her, so we decided to explore the vibrant underwater life of the Bay of Bengal, which offers an ideal backdrop for this fun activity and is recommended to be the best place in India for this thrilling pursuit. So, incline means to have a keen interest in something, indulge means to try or to take part in. Vibrant means colorful, bright, and thrilling is another synonym for exciting. So we have used better vocabulary words. So you can also add all of these to your vocabulary list. And next time when you are practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation. Alright, so we have answered the first 3 questions, which is what the activity was, who you were with, and when and where it happened. The last 2 questions, which is why you went for it and explain how you felt about it, still remains. So let's answer those. Additionally, it was a low risk sport which we grasped easily by learning all the safety skills meticulously, including some pressure containing techniques when we were going down or moving up to the surface, along with some basic floating and kicking. So, we are just giving a little bit of a description about what scuba diving is actually. Instead of just mentioning that you did scuba diving, you are actually mentioning what you did in that sport. So meticulously means paying lot of attention to details. And grasp means to acquire something, to learn something. Alright, so let's continue. Finally, I felt over the moon after trying this daring yet exciting activity as it provided me an opportunity to discover and spend time in the blue transparent lagoons with sea creatures like turtles, vibrant fishes, as well as sharks, and was a lifetime experience for me. So we have used an idiom here which is felt over the moon, which means to be extremely happy or very happy. And using idioms enhances our band scores for a lexical resources part. Daring again means to be bold or to try something that is not in your genre, like something courageous. Lagoons are kind of water bodies. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.